Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we are embarking on a tech odyssey with the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24. Is it a revolutionary leap forward or merely an incremental upgrade? Buckle up because we are about to dissect its design, performance, camera, and everything in between to answer that burning question. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more informational videos like this. And be sure to watch this video to the end. Without further ado, let's get started. Design. The S24 retains the familiar sleek and slim design of its predecessors. The overall shape and size are largely the same. Its metal frame feels reassuringly sturdy. While some might crave a bolder departure, the S24 exudes a timeless elegance that's hard to deny. Display. The Samsung Galaxy S24 sports a 6.2 Full HD plus 120 Hz LTPO AMOLED screen. It's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. That means the bodies are ever so slightly taller than their 23 counterparts. But thanks to a reduction in bezels, the phones don't feel much bigger in the hand. Chipset. The Samsung Galaxy S24 US, Canadian and Chinese models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, while the European version we have here has the Exynos 2400 SoC at the helm. The smartphone runs Android 14, based One UI 6.1, with up to 12 GB RAM and 512 GB storage on board. AI Magic feature. One of the bigger focuses is on photo editing. After you take a photo and view it in the Gallery app, the Galaxy S24 will show edit suggestions for that picture. These can be things like adding background blur, removing shadows, erasing reflections, etc. Camera. The camera setup is identical to last year's phones. You have a 50 megapixel main camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x zoom, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12 megapixel selfie camera. Battery life. The S24 smartphone packs a 4000 mAh battery with 25 watt wired and 15 watt wireless charging support. If you are looking for the best possible smartphone experience, I highly recommend checking out the Samsung Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching this review. I hope this video is informational and helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like it and also click on the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our next video. For the time being, goodbye.